You can proceed.
While Scott believes in the 3-minute rule, I believe in the 5 Bs. Be brief, brother, be brief. And I will be brief. My name is Jim Reilly. I'm Secretary-Treasurer of United Food and Commercial Workers, Local 328. I live in Warren, Rhode Island. We represent about 12,000 people in southeastern Massachusetts, 4,000 here in Rhode Island, and I know my membership. I spend a lot of time in the stores talking to my membership on a regular basis, dealing with all their needs and concerns. And I know from my conversations with my membership that we have very many individuals involved in either family members of or close relatives of individuals in the LGBT community. Our contracts include a non-discrimination clause for sexual orientation. While I agree with most people who propose that marriage equality is a civil rights issue, I also know full well from my conversations with my membership that it is also a workers' issue. Civil marriage provides families with over 1,400 rights, protections, and responsibilities. Many of these benefits are employment and family benefits. Aside from similar benefits obtained through collective bargaining, there is nothing at present requiring employers to respect the partners and children of their gay and lesbian employees in any way whatsoever. But marriage confers automatic protections and responsibilities that are now essential for sustaining families. Wages are not the only bread and butter issue. Marriage, too, decisively affects a worker's ability to adequately protect themselves as committed couples. Without marriage, a same-sex partner is not recognized as a worker's dependent for the purposes of workmen's compensation system. Without marriage, a surviving same-sex partner would not be eligible to receive any death benefits under the workers' comp if their partner died on the job. Without marriage, under Social Security law, if a covered worker is retired, disabled, or dies, his or her same-sex partner cannot claim the one-time benefit of 225 hours for a surviving spouse. Without marriage, the same-sex partner of a worker who is disabled and eligible for Social Security benefits is not entitled to receive additional benefits if he or she is raising children under the age of 16 or if the disabled worker is at least 62. Without marriage, a gay or lesbian employee does not have the option available under many pension plans, especially defined benefit pension plans, to select a joint and survivor annuity. Without marriage, a surviving same-sex partner of a veteran killed in action is not entitled to receive the support from the Dependents Education Fund to attend an institution of higher learning or a tech or a professional school. If the deceased partner is not the legal parent of that couple's child, the child will also not be eligible to receive this benefit. Only when gay and lesbian workers can marry will they receive the level of protection that they need and deserve for their families, the same legal protection that their married heterosexual colleagues currently enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you. Are there any questions or comments for this witness?
Chairman.
Senator Raptakis.
Jim, what you said right now is under the federal guidelines, first of all, under civil unions in Rhode Island that was passed last year, I wasn't here, those are not addressed, what you just stated, those conditions, correct?
Correct.
Even on the federal level, they're not addressed currently.
That's correct.
But if if Senator Nesselbusch's legislation passes, only the state benefits or state
that is correct.
Is going to pass. It will be accepted. Yeah. But we still have a problem on the federal level, correct?
To some degree, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Are there any other questions or comments? Thank you. Mr. Nee?